Ready to change your career path? At Academy of Learning Career College Scarborough, we're all about practical training, flexible scheduling, and real job-ready skills. Whether you're looking into business, IT, healthcare, or design, we offer diploma and certificate programs that fit your goals. With our unique integrated learning system, you learn at your pace, with support every step of the way. We know everyone learns differently. That's why our coaches are here to guide you, help you build confidence, and get you career ready. Whether you're just starting out or looking to build on your existing skills, all you need is your willingness to succeed. Located in the heart of Scarborough, our campus provides a supportive space where you can focus, grow, and prepare for success. Join thousands of graduates who've taken the leap, gained new skills, and entered the workforce with confidence. Your future starts here. AOLCC Scarborough. Real training, real support, real results.